morning everyone. I am Juan P. Saisun. I introduce how to use header and footer. You can make your document look professional and polished by utilizing the header and footer sections. The header is a section of document that appears in the top margin. While the footer is a section of the document that appears in the bottom margin. Headers and footers generally contain information such as page number, date, and document name. In this lesson, you will learn how to insert belt and blank headers and footers. To insert header or footer, select the Insert tab. Click either the header or footer command. A menu appears with a list of built-in options you can use. Left-click one of the built-in options and will appear in the document. Or left-click blank to select it. The design with header and footer tools is active. Type information into the header of footer. To insert the date or time into header or footer. With the header or footer section active, click the date and time command. Select a date format in the dialog box that appears. Click OK. The date and time now appear in the document. Other header or footer options. There are many other header and footer options you can use to design options. Use the newsletter or any Word document you choose to complete this challenge. First, add your name in the header of document. Second, right align the next in the header. Third, select a built-in footer with a page number. That's all. Thank you.